Welcome to my YouTube channel Grammar Classes. Today I'll discuss with you phonemic sounds. These sounds play a very important role in speaking and in reading. And do you know how many phonemic sounds in English language? These are the 44 phonemic sounds in English language, in which 12 are vowels and then 8 are diphthongs and 24 consonants. And do you know very well about vowels and consonants? Vowels, we have heard 5 types of vowels: A, E, I, O, U. But in these are 12 vowels in English language. And consonants, if we eliminate E, I, O, U in alphabets, all the remaining parts of the alphabet are called consonants. And I'll give you, for your convenience, I'll give you the Hindi alphabet and English alphabet. If we read in Hindi language, these are the, we have discussed here the 12 vowels, and in Hindi language 10: A, choti e, badi e, u, au, a, I, o, au. And these two are the nasal sounds in English language. And these are k and ch and t and th, p and y. These are the consonants in Hindi language, and total are in 33. But in English language, if we eliminate 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels in English language. And then when we eliminate in the 26 alphabet, all remaining 21 are the consonants. Okay, the concept of the consonant and vowel, is it clear? Now let's start. Your first and very important parts of speaking phonemic sounds are vowels. Vowels, is it clear? These are the 12 vowels in phonemic sounds. And then first one is, this is first one. This is the long in sound, and the in Hindi language the symbol stand for badi e. This is the long in sound and Hindi badi e. And when we use this vowel in word, the pronunciation of this word will go in long in sound. For example, sheep, and then reap. Is it clear? Here is the double E, and here is the E and A. Okay, when we use double E and EA in spelling, it will take the long in sound and take the phonemic sound of the E. That is the pronunciation of this word sheep and reap, and the next one deep. Is it clear? We understand this vowel in triple way. First one in phonemic sounds, second one in Hindi language, and the third one with the spelling. Is it clear? Whenever we got in spelling double E, EA, it means the sound of these vowels goes in long in sound. Okay, not we cannot pronounce this word sheep. This is the sheep. This is the deep and reap. Is it clear? Long in sound, badi e in Hindi language, and the spellings. And the next vowels, phonemic sounds in English, this is E. In Hindi language, E. Is it clear? And in spelling, we got in spelling SHIP, and the next one SIT, and the next one FIT. The pronunciation of these words, first one ship. Is it clear? Ship. And this one shit, and this one fit. Sit, fit, and ship. Is it clear? It means whenever we found the I in spelling, the sound and the pronunciation of this word will go in short in sound. That is the short in sound, that is the ship and sit and fit. We can take it the other sound, dip, D-I-P, dip. This is the rip and short in sound, rip. Is it clear? First one, long in sound, badi E in Hindi and the spelling in English. And the second one, choti E and I in Hindi, phonemic sounds, I and E in Hindi, and in spellings, I vowel whenever given the spellings, you pronounce it in a short in sound. Don't take in a long sound. Is it clear? Ship, sit, fit, dip and rip. And the next one, U. This is the U and long in sound. U. U in vowels and U. U, that means when we put two dot in vowel, the sound of this word will go bada U in Hindi. Bada U in Hindi. And the spelling, school, pool and cool. Is it clear? School, double O and double O. It means whenever we found double O in sound, it will take the pronunciation of long in sound. This pronunciation of this word, school, not school, school, pool and cool. Is it clear? And the phonemic sound and symbol of phonemic sound is U, U and two dot. And in Hindi, bada U, and we know very well how to use this symbol in a pronunciation. It is more than enough, and I will continue this topic in my next video. Thank you.